Luckily, our first act is a master puzzler, so can solve any problem. Unbelievable. Here we go.
My name is Flavian. I'm from Romania, and I'm a speed giver.
So, what's going down?
Today I'm gonna solve this toy.
You're going to solve it?
Yes.
So if I was to mix this up, are you saying that you can do it straight away?
Yes.
Even if I don't show you what I'm doing?
Yes, of course. We will.
So how long will it take you to do this?
A few seconds.
A few seconds?
Yes.
Right, if you do this in a few seconds, I'll give you a bag of Haribo. Right. Before you do it, I know what you're thinking. Yeah? I know it's dull. So we've got the moment. 2 seconds, he said he can do this in.
Okay.
Go. 1, 2. Not done.
What?
You said 2 seconds, my friend. So, can you please give me a sort of realistic time on this diabolical mess?
15.
Really? Can you do it in 10?
10? Okay, I'll try my best.
Right, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not done. So, let's do another one.
You're saying the numbers too fast.
What?
Like, you say, like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that are not seconds.
Right. Go. 15, 14, 13, 12,
What?
11, 10, 9, 8, 7,
No,
6,
no.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Incorrect. Absolute disgrace. And I tell you what, mate, you slightly embarrass yourself. You know what you don't get? Eee. Rory. There you go, Rory. Well done, you. One for Joel. I'll feed it to you, Joel, because I know you like to be fed. And we've got 2 bad boys left. Yum, yum.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Flavian.
And where do you live, Flavian?
I live in Romania.
OK. So what made you want to come on Britain's Got Talent?
Today, I came on Britain's Got Talent to make a show with the intelligence.
Oh. So are you saying that we're not a show with intelligence?
No, not about this. It's something different. I really want to make it to be good.
Good luck.
Thank you. So, I have here 3 cubes. They are all scrambled, completely different. And now I'm gonna solve them blindfolded.
No.
What? Are you crazy?
Look what he's doing! It's like he can see out his fingers.
How did you know that?
Oh, they're doing it!
from this planet? Honestly, because I don't think genuinely a human being should be able to do that.
Brilliantly entertaining, something we've never seen before, and we've absolutely no idea how you can possibly memorise all those moves.
Flavian, I think that was really impressive. What we witnessed today was extraordinary, so well done.
OK, David?
I'm going to say yes.
I'm going to say yes. It's a yes from me.
Flavian, even though I don't think you are from Earth, I'm going to say yes.
Some people thought that you could see through the blindfold. I can categorically confirm this is my own blindfold from home.
Okay.
So, would you mind?
Yes.
You don't... do you mind?
Just put it.
Oh, mate.
Okay.
Right, good luck to you. Let's see how you do. On your marks, get set, go.
That's it.
Click on the info card in the corner to discover more.